Hey Redcat racing fans, welcome back to the Redcat University. Today we're going to install the spare tire mount and spare tire onto the back of the Gen 8 AXE Edition. Now you're going to need a couple tools. You're going to need a 2mm hex driver, a reamer, or you could use a 3mm drill bit with a drill. Now let's give your AXE Edition a cool custom look. Since our test truck is already fitted with the spare tire, we're going to show you where you need to drill the holes on this clear body option. Locate the 4 dimples in the bed of the truck, and you're simply going to drill or ream a 3mm hole in each of the 4 spots. And now we can install the spare tire mount. Locate the 4 machine screws included with the kit and the mount. Note that when you screw the mount in place, you'll want the angle to face towards the rear of the vehicle so the tire will sit on the appropriate angle. You don't need to over tighten the screws, just snug them into place. Now slide the spare tire in through the back of the truck, center it on the mount, and use the self-tapping screw to secure it down. There you have it, your AXE Edition now has a custom look and you're prepared in case you blow out a tire on the trail. Thanks for checking into the Redcat University. Links to the hex drivers we used in the video can be found in the description below. While you're there, please hit that subscribe button and the notifications bell, and we'll see you back soon for some more Redcat Racing how-to videos.